Hello everybody, I just came back from Home Depot and I saw this thing on sale for $7.50. It's a 2-pack rechargeable magnetic utility light with power bank. So since it's a 2-pack, so it's about $3.25 each. And it says it has 4 modes. Lithium powered, rechargeable batteries integrated, and there's on the back there should be a type C USB charging cables included, and it says 180 degrees pointing hand, what's that, pivoting handle for stability and angling on multiple surfaces, can be used as a power bank to recharge devices, and built-in magnet for different application, 2 USB charging cables included. So we'll see if it has 2 charging cables included. Here it is, what I was reading earlier. So this thing is 3000 lumens, so it's in this range here, and the battery hour lasts 2 hours. Okay, so only less than a 50 millimeter range. So the battery, since it's a, so okay, I guess this is the mode. So if you only use 100 lumens, it lasts 40 hours. If you use 500 lumens, it lasts 8 hours. If you use 1500 lumens, it lasts 3 hours. And if you use up the whole 3000 lumens, it's only lasted you 2 hours. All right, so let's open it up. This way. There is a tape there. I'm just gonna rip it since this is wiggling. All right. Ta-da! One. The other one is zip tied to the box. We get a scissor. So what's inside the box? 2 lights, manual, and USB-C cables, 2 of them. Everything you need is in there. Here's the thing again if you want to see it. I should take a picture. Okay. Take a picture later so I can put it on my video. Now next, let's look at the back. It's the front. Look at the back, and there's the USB. So this is the charging input is USB-C, and the output is the USB-A. All right, and 4 magnets here. Don't know what these are. There's power button, and there's one mode. I want to point to the camera. So I think this is the 3000 lumens, 1500. What's the second one? 500, I think, and 100. So the 100, I'll test this later on in the dark, so we can tell it better. So 3000, 1500. Oh, 5. What was that? Anyway, so this is let me turn this up. So 3,000 lumens, 1,500 lumens, 500 lumens, 100 lumen, and off. Alright, so I'm gonna do this in the dark, I'm gonna test it in the dark later. So this one can either you put it like that, standing up like that, or carry it around. So it's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure it sticks on the surface, metal surfaces. Let's try that. Alright, here it is on top of my chest box. Let me turn it on. Pretty bright. Can't even see because it's too bright. Let me lower the light to 100. Here it is at 100. Now you can see it. It was just too bright earlier at the 3,000 lumens. So I'm gonna try this at night so you can see how bright it is, because today is still daytime. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so here's the light. You're looking at my reflection in the sliding door. So I'm gonna turn this on, and it's bouncing to my, the light's bouncing to the mirror. Anyway, let me turn off the light. You can see it's dark outside, and bouncing again. Open the door. So it's lighting up that one. No light. Sorry. 3,000 lumens. And the camera can pick up the sound wall in the back there. And this is the, what's that, 1,500? 500, 100, and off. So 3,000 lumens, 1,500 lumens, 500 lumens, and nada. Alright, so this is the nada, that's the 100. So alright, this is the Defiant 3,000 lumens work light, a utility light. I got for $7.50 each, and it came in the 2-pack, so it's about $3.25 each. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.